Go.
I'm gonna do it a lot.
Okay, do it a lot.
Carter, I like when you jump over multiple tiles.
Yeah.
Carter. Carter, show how you can jump over 2 tiles. Like jump forward.
Watch this jump. What's this? Okay.
Whoa.
That was a good one.
What's this? Yeah.
Oh, we forgot to practice the most important thing. We are.
Penn State.
We are.
Penn State.
We are.
Penn State.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Can you do the Let's Go Buffalo chants?
Let's go. Buffalo.
Woohoo! I like that.
I'm gonna watch this wreck. And you can't be there on me. You have to be, and you can't be right here. You have to be all the way back here on me.
She's good.
I don't think so.
Yeah. And I might hit you. I mean, that's why you have to go all the way over there, all the way down, over there. Everyone, are you ready for this wreck? And you can't go there again, I'm going to kick you. No. And then you can stay right there. What? And you can stay right there. 1, 2, Mama. Say 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Say 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Here comes my ship. And the number is 2.
All right, guys. It's almost time for bubbles. Bye, sweetheart. Oh, thank you.
What's this? Yeah.
All right. See you guys later.
I don't want you to do it at all.
All right, we'll finish up, Carter. We got to go do bubbles.
What's this? Yeah. What's this?
I'm watching.
A number